doing some more work on the GSX today. She's finally running on speed density as per last weekend. I had my friend Freddy help me out. I went over his house and we swapped intake manifolds. I am running the Evo 3 intake manifold now. We cleaned up some of the wiring up here. I relocated the air fuel pressure regulator. It was laying somewhere in the corner over there, so I attached it to the firewall the way it should go. What else did I do last weekend? I upgraded my injectors from FIC 950s to FIC 1250s for E85. What else? Speed density. So I had him help me wire all this crap, the speed density setup, so I can eliminate the math. I am running a boost solenoid now. I need to find a better place for this. Right now it's just kind of like hanging here, but so I'm running an electronic boost controller, controlling the boost via the DSM link now. And today I am working on, so after we put it back together last weekend, I think we noticed either I had a boost leak or just I'm running out. Well, I was running this first generation blow-off valve, first generation Eclipse blow-off valve, which is a good blow-off valve. However, it doesn't hold that much PSI, that much boost pressure. What some people do is they crush these. They I don't know what the procedure is exactly, but they crush this top hat so that it holds more pressure. I could either do that, or I had this one, which is an authentic Greddy Type S. These have been discontinued for a really long time. I'm really good friends with the founder, creator, CEO, and guy that runs NGR Performance. He's a good buddy of mine, and he basically took over this type of blow-off valve. So Greddy used to make these, Greddy Type S, but they discontinued them. Now he sells, my buddy, he sells NGR Type S blow-off valves, which are essentially the same thing. However, the NGR Type S blow-off valve has a reinforced, better designed diaphragm. So I am running a Frankenstein here. The top part is from an NGR, the bottom half is from the Greddy Type S, that I kind of put together because my original Greddy Type S blow-off valve stripped the bolt, the top hat stripped right here. The threads here got stripped, so I kind of just made I just adapted the top hat from an NGR Type S onto the Greddy bottom line. And of course I'm running the NGR Type S reinforced diaphragm. And then, okay, so long story short, today I took apart, kind of went on a rant there, but anyways, I took off, this is the upper and the cooler piping. I took this off, and I'm making sure that this is in good working order. I'm gonna check the diaphragm shortly to make sure that it's good, but it should be. And then I'm gonna be running that so that I can hopefully eliminate any potentially sources of not vacuum, boost leaks. I'm gonna conduct a boost leak test as well, and then with that blow-off valve, I should be good to go. Another thing, what else today? What do I have here? Well, I found these brackets. I've been looking for these brackets for a couple of weeks now. Ever since I upgraded to that radiator, I've been holding it with freaking zip ties because I couldn't find these brackets. Whenever I needed them, whenever I didn't need them, they were laying around just bothering me all over the place. They were just getting in the way. I tossed them in a bag, and then when I finally upgraded to this radiator, for the life of me, I couldn't remember where I put them. I lost them. I was like freaking out, like, well, god damn it, freaking brackets go missing when I need them. Nowhere to be found. And then, so but today, I was looking for something else unrelated, and I found them. So I'm going to be installing those as well, the way it should go. The radiator should be held by those brackets instead of zip ties. And I kind of want to install these Avid Racing motor mounts. This one right here, I'm going to be working on cleaning it up with a wire wheel. because it is super dirty. This is my friend Fernando here. He's working on his GTR while I work on my DSM. So anyways, stay tuned for more. Okay, so just like I said, I took apart the blow off valve. I was cleaning it and making sure that the diaphragm was still good, and it is. Here's the bottom piece, and now I'm getting ready to, well, believe it or not, I cleaned it even though it still looks super dirty. I sprayed it with brake parts cleaner, and I ran a wire wheel on it and a wire brush. This thing was filthy and it had blow-by oil inside, so I cleaned that out, and now I'm getting ready to drill the holes on the flange so that I can bolt it down. So yeah, I got a Sharpie over here and I'm trying to center it as much as I can. I'm gonna start off with a little teeny drill bit, and I'm gonna work my way up, and hopefully I'll get this centered and lined up as much as I can. The hole, this hole right here is slightly smaller than this one, I believe, so I mean, that should be fine. Here, let me just line it up real quick with there it goes. See? There. No restrictions, and it's pretty lined up. So I think that's where it's gonna go. And yeah, once I get these holes drilled, I'm going to assemble it and bolt it on and put everything back together. So yeah, here goes nothing. Okay, so after building my way up with several different drill bits, I have finally reached the correct size. I was able to center it properly, and here it is. This is how it's gonna go installed. I already got my bolt in there going through, if I can get it out. There it is. Okay, so there are the new holes, and everything seems to be lined up or centered properly. I took my time, and yeah, now I'm gonna start assembling the blow-off valve again, putting diaphragm, spring, and all that crap back together, and then time to put it back in the car. Okay, I got everything assembled with the new blow-off valve, new for this car. I had it on my other car before. So I put everything back together: the upper intercooler piping, the blow-off valve, the intake pipe, whatever, all of that. I got these brackets back on. This is a 1G radiator, so this bracket lined up. This one, only one hole lined up. I could, drill this and make it line up, but fuck it. I mean, just gonna leave it like that. What else? Earlier I said I was gonna be replacing the motor mounts. It got dark really fast, so I'm gonna be leaving that for another day. Right now, what I'm gonna be doing, since I have this light and it's relatively simple to do, I'm gonna be swapping spark plugs. I just got these in the mail yesterday, or this morning actually, I don't remember when, but BPR8s, NGK plugs. Right now I have NGK BPR7s, but since I'm running E85 now, I'm gonna be stepping up or down, or I don't know. I'm gonna be changing my spark plugs to BPR8s. I got to 0.20 as per instructions that my tuner gave me. So right now the car is breaking up top, it's misfires. Once I get up to, let's say, 7,000 RPMs or something, I'm making a pool, and then all the way up there it breaks up and misfires. So hopefully this will take care of that. So here we go.